First booking natin ngayon si Jillian Ward. Alright. Let's go. Ma'am Jillian? Ay, hindi. Jillian, ma'am. Jillian Ward. Jillian Ward. Kaya lang, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Alright. Delivery na lang si Jillian Ward. Success yung delivery natin kay Jillian Ward. Alright, let's go for another booking.